everyone, we're going to state the third congruence that is needed to prove that these two triangles are congruent to one another. And they give you information, so let's try number 4. DE is congruent to AB, and angle D is congruent to angle A. So they want us to use the angle side. So the angle side means we're going to have angle F is congruent to angle C. So angle F is congruent to angle C. Now that gives you angle side. All right. If you'd put the angle here, you'd have had angle side angle. So we want it to look kind of like that. Now we're going to do the same thing for, we're going to do angle side angle for the next one. So the next one we have FE is congruent to CB, and angle F is congruent to angle C. So if we want angle side angle, we need to have these two angles congruent, because that gives you angle side angle. So these two would have to be congruent to one another. So that's angle E is congruent to angle B. And then finally, the last one, for this one, we have another set of problems on the next slide. DF is congruent to AC, and angle F is congruent to angle C. And we want to use the side angle side, this one. So we need another side. So we have to put the side here, because it has to go in order. Side, we'll just put 2 here. Side, angle, side. So that's going to be EF is congruent to BC. And that's congruent here. We should put congruent here. So, and then we have another set. We have to do it again. So we have angle C is congruent to angle Z, and AC is congruent to XZ. So we're going to use the angle side. So we need to put our angles right here, because that gives you, so we'll just do double here, angle side. So that's going to be angle B is congruent to angle Y. Now we have to use the angle side angle, and we have, let's see, angle B is congruent to angle Y, and line segment A is congruent to line segment XY. So we need the angle side angle, so that would have to be this one, angle side angle. It has to go in order. So that means angle A is congruent to angle X. And the last one we have is side angle side. So BC is congruent to YC. Angle B is congruent to angle Y. And we need side angle side. So we can't put the side there, because that would be side angle. You have to put the side here. So that would be AB is congruent to XY. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.